Hey guys, today we're gonna do a review of this electric Chinese ratchet. I got it for about $39 5 to 6 months ago. It does come with 2 batteries and a charger. I've been using it for, I want to say, 5 months, and so far it's held up pretty good. I mean, I've dropped it quite a few times and it's still working. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna see what the max torque it can remove. Ideally, you don't want to be using this to breakaway bolts, but we're gonna go ahead and see what the max it can do is. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start at 20 foot-pounds. So it does 20 foot-pounds. So now let's do 25. And it cannot do 25. So there you go. As you saw, it struggled with anything above 20 foot-pounds, which I mean, for $39, I still think it's a great deal. Just so you don't have to sit there all day ratcheting. You know, save your hands. Get one of these. I mean, what you can do is you can actually break it loose using this, and then you can go ahead and ratchet it. That's mostly the way I use it. This is the one I just keep in the car. I just have it in there just in case I'm somewhere and I need to go somewhere quick to do a quick job. This is the one that I reach for. So, I mean, take it with a grain of salt. I have one. My buddy has one as well. He's had his for about a year. No issues. The only issue is his batteries broke from him dropping it so much. But I mean, the thing still works. So, you know, like I said, take it with a grain of salt. But these are for $39. I don't think it's a bad deal. I would go ahead and recommend this one. So let me know if you want to keep seeing videos like this. Comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.